Once a much-loved regular during Parsi and Bohri weddings, the humble Dabba Gosht has now almost disappeared from the menu. Made from a delicious mix of mutton and eggs and baked to perfection, the Dabba Gosht is definitely a must-try dish. And now you can make it at home with SpiceFry's easy-to-follow recipe. So, let's get cooking. Begin by marinating 500 grams of boneless meat in salt, one teaspoon green chilli paste, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix this well and keep aside. Now, boil some water in a saucepan and cook about 100 grams or a handful of macaroni and keep aside. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil and saute 1 finely chopped medium-sized onion. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste, and mix well. Next comes 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. We'll now add 3 tablespoons of SpiceFry's dry fruit masala mix that consists of almonds, cashews, poppy seeds, and peanuts. Add in the marinated meat and mix well so as to coat every piece with the masala. Pour in a cup of water, stir, and cover with the lid to cook for about 15 minutes. Add in more water if needed during this time. Now pour in half a cup of milk and mix it well. Add in the boiled macaroni. And now cover with the lid for about 2 minutes to let the flavors infuse. The meat is now ready to be transferred into the dabba. Transfer the meat into a metal or ceramic tray and cover the top with thinly sliced tomatoes. Now pour in 1 whisked egg and let it reverse to the bottom as well. And lastly, give it a tempering of hot pure ghee before baking it in the oven. Your Dabba Gosht is now ready. Serve it hot on its own or along with naan or rotis. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and let us know what you think of it in the comments below. And that's it for today, but we'll be back again with another delicious recipe, so stay tuned.